Hey guys, today we're climbing Mount Batur. We're already halfway to the top. We're going to camp today on the top of the mountain. We got tents with us. Unfortunately, the weather is really bad, so we probably will not see beautiful sunset, but we are hoping to see amazing sunrise tomorrow in the morning.
It's a pretty nice hike with beautiful views. If you're at Bali, you definitely should try it. We're not too lucky with the weather today, and to be honest, we were very close of cancelling everything, but as now we're here, I'm super happy. It's a very small effort for such beautiful views you can get from the top.
I think storm is coming. I guess it's not going to be the most peaceful night for us here. Good morning! Good morning guys! Since the sunrise we're trekking the top of Caldera, enjoying the breathtaking views, taking photos. Waking up early in the morning is definitely rewarding, and we have the whole place just to ourselves. Ready to hike down. Here we're going to finish our video. If you enjoyed watching this, give us some likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.